I just found an artificial intelligence indicator on TradingView that predicts trend reversals with impressive accuracy. I tested it on Bitcoin's 5-minute chart, and the results were mind-blowing. If used correctly, this strategy can achieve a win rate close to 93%. Pair it with a volume-based support and resistance indicator, and you'll avoid false signals altogether. Check out these profitable entries. This trading method is my favorite because it combines indicators and price action. Watch the entire video as I break down the strategy step by step. I'll walk you through multiple trade examples, so even beginners can follow along. Friends, if you enjoy my content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Income Nomad if you haven't already. On this channel, I bring you the newest and most accurate trading strategies in the simplest way possible. You know what else makes trading easier? Easy algo indicators. If you're tired of losing trades and want reliable tools with a high win rate, Easy Algo is the way to go. They offer some of the most advanced technical indicators to help you become a market expert. Plus, you'll get access to a VIP Discord community where you can chat, get support, copy other traders' signals, and learn trading skills 10 times faster. Hundreds of traders are making consistent profits with Easy Algo, and you could be one of them. Click the first link in the description to secure your spot today. Now, back to our strategy. To build the setup I'm showing, open any chart on TradingView and click Indicators. The first indicator you'll search for is the Machine Learning Momentum Index. Next, find Volume-Based Support and Resistance Zones by Tomiev 1001. Don't worry if your chart looks messy. I'll show you how to clean it up. Go into the support and resistance indicators settings and turn off all timeframes except the 2-hour one. I also recommend customizing the zone colors to your liking. Once that's done, click OK. For the Machine Learning Momentum Index, the default settings work well, but you can tweak them to adjust sensitivity if needed. Before I explain how the strategy works, here's a key point. This method is highly effective on short time frames like 5, 15, and 30 minutes. It's suitable for trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, major Forex pairs, and stocks. The strategy's goal is to identify a specific price pattern that consistently repeats with a high success rate. I use indicators to make it easier for beginners to spot this pattern. Experienced traders might think they don't need indicators and can draw levels manually. And that's true. But why do extra work when these tools eliminate human error? Take the volume-based support and resistance indicator, for example. Since it's multi-time frame, you can choose which levels to display. I've found that higher time frame levels are far more reliable. The price respects these levels more often than lower time frame ones. Lower time frames introduce more noise, minor price moves that don't reflect overall market sentiment. Higher time frames filter out that noise, making support and resistance levels clearer and more dependable. Another reason these levels are stronger is that more traders watch them. When a price nears a support or resistance level on a daily or 2-hour chart, a larger number of market participants react, reinforcing that level's strength. In contrast, lower time frames often see false breakouts where price briefly breaches a level before reversing. This happens far less with higher time frame levels, making them more trustworthy. I hope that explanation helps. Now, before diving into the exact strategy, let's quickly review the Machine Learning Momentum Index. This advanced tool blends traditional momentum analysis with machine learning. Think of it as the next generation of oscillators. It's similar to the Relative Strength Index, RSI, but with added features. It includes a prediction line, a weighted moving average, overbought, oversold zones, and a zero level. A valid buy signal happens when two things align. 1. The momentum index reaches the oversold zone. 2. The blue line crosses above the green line. For sell signals, the opposite applies. Crosses in the neutral zone don't count as trade signals. Now, how do we combine these indicators for precise trades? Pay attention, I'm about to break it all down. There are 2 setups for entering long and short positions.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now Enjoy zero fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
First, let's cover the long trade setup. This involves buying after a major resistance breakout. When buyers push the price past a strong resistance level, that level becomes new support. The price often pulls back to this level to fill buy orders. That's when we enter a long position. However, there's one crucial condition. When the price returns to this demand level, the machine learning momentum index must enter the oversold zone and trigger a bullish crossover. Only then do we place a buy order. Set your stop loss just below support and use a fixed take profit target or trailing stop. Let's see how this plays out in practice. The second way to buy is a support retest. Wait for a new support level to form, then look for its first gradual retest, not an immediate one. If all conditions are met, check the oscillator for a buy signal. This approach also boasts a high success rate. Now let's talk short trades. For the first setup, look for a support breakout. When sellers push the price below strong support, that level becomes future resistance. Wait for the price to pull back to it. But if it exceeds resistance, the setup is invalid. Once the momentum index gives a sell signal, enter your short position. The second short trade setup is a resistance retest. The process has 3 steps. 1. Identify new resistance. 2. Wait for its first retest. 3. Check the momentum indicator for a sell signal before opening your trade. Traders, I hope this strategy makes sense. Always backtest and forward test it before trading real money to avoid unnecessary mistakes. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you soon.